So one of the latest features regarding Oasis that I've been working on lately includes the ability to read headers and footers in the ExcelFileReader. And we're going to go ahead and use FitNesse Variables to go ahead and take care of this. FitNesse Variables allow you to pass in values and then use those values elsewhere in the code as need be. So, you know, being an open source project, you can go through here and update the ExcelFileReader or else the text file reader to your liking. As you can see, we have a bunch of different methods here. A couple of the new things that were just recently added were the ability to get the different types of headers and get the different types of footers. So you can actually do direct comparisons on your Excel reports. And this is now going to be packaged in Oasis. So let's go ahead and take a look here at one of the tests. This is called the Excel Reader test. And as you can see, we're importing the file package, and we're going ahead and I'm actually setting multiple variables. I have an array variable here, and this corresponds to the Excel spreadsheet located in this area right here. So FitNesse root files. Let's go ahead and take a look. Files, test files, and sample Excel. So here's the spreadsheet right here. And you can go ahead and see, for instance, that we have two different tabs, Report 1 and Report 2. Report 1 contains headers, and it also contains footers as well. Go ahead and see if I could expand this for you here. Well, they're on there. Let's go ahead and run this test quickly here, and I'll go ahead and kind of explain a little bit about what it's doing. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is we're going to try out these two different methods here. So get string array from file, and we're going to do this on report 1. So we're going to go ahead and list all these values as different string values. So on report 1, you can go ahead and see here we have cell 1 through cell 2-3, and we're doing this on report 1 tab, and then we could just do individual cells as well. So you can go ahead and do cell 1 of 1 or cell 2 of 2, which is located right here. Down below, we're going to do report tab 2. Report tab 2, we'll go ahead and just grab some individual cells here. And then we'll go ahead and grab the headers and footers of report tab 1, as well as just an individual cell to show that we can kind of do multiple things here. I'm using the set cell array command, method, which will actually create for me an array of values. And from that, I just take the array and specify the individual values of the cells. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And we'll go ahead and see what this test does. So as you can see here, everything is working as it's supposed to. And so what you're going to go ahead and see here are that variables are named with the $sign, and then you specify a value. And if we go look at the edit page version of this, you put an equal sign after it and separate it. It's pipe delimited once again. And so you set it to whatever the method is. So in this case, get cell. Method get cell will actually go ahead and produce this value, and it will return some string value representation of whatever the cell content is. And so you're setting this value, and then you can go ahead and perform other operations on it within the method. So this allows, within the class itself. So variables allow you to kind of toss things around as you need them, and you can go ahead and build out the ExcelFileReader as you see fit, or the text file reader. We're offering a lot of flexibility here to go ahead and move things around, and that's pretty much it. not much to it. So hopefully you can kind of see the benefit in this, especially with JDBC. You can go ahead and look at our JDBC fixture. It's just kind of a general purpose fixture. But what you can do with it is you can go ahead and take values out, you can insert values directly in, and then you can take those values and set them as arrays, or you can get individual items from a select statement. And you can go ahead and use those values anywhere you need to by maybe feeding in data into a next portion of a table or a different script. So we're offering a lot of flexibility here, and just to kind of demonstrate some of the various things. Hopefully you enjoy it, and have a good one.